And I am pleased to announce that this year, the Youth Summer Employment Program for the first time will be employing 10,000 young people in Jamaica for the summer, for the first time, Madam Speaker. And the launch of this program will come shortly, Madam Speaker. Our projects, they will be assigned to the Jamaica Fire Brigade, to the SDC, to the National Solid Waste Management Authority, to all state agencies, Madam Speaker. Never before in the history of Jamaica has any government in any one given time has offered so much in terms of employment to our young people. This is a progressive government, Madam Speaker.